You're selling with Shopify. But optimizing with Perplexity. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At MESA, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when new orders come in through Shopify, generate AI-powered customer insights and recommendations. Or provide intelligent customer service responses when new Shopify customers sign up. Or even automatically generate personalized retention strategies when Shopify orders are canceled. MESA has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Shopify and Perplexity, make it happen with MESA. Get started today for free.